Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm super excited to talk to you about this awesome product from a company called MOMAX. This is the MOMAX Magnetic Wireless Charging Power Bank. It is magnetic, it is MagSafe compatible. It is a 5000 mAh portable power bank. Besides all that, it also has a built-in stand here on the back, and that stand has several different angles so that you can view your phone while it's charging in a lot of different ways. And we're going to cover all of that. First, let's just take a quick look at what comes in the box. You can see really excellent packaging. You open that up. You do have the cable you need in order to charge the power bank, as well as the power bank itself. And this is a really excellent power bank. Again, you got 5000 mAh, so a lot of power in such a tiny little form factor. Very lightweight. But what really makes it stand out from a lot of the other power banks out there is it is magnetic wireless. So it is fully MagSafe compatible with iPhone 12 or 13 or any iPhone that has MagSafe built into it. And it's going to give you up to 15 watts of wireless charging. Besides charging an iPhone, you can use it to charge any key-enabled device. It is a standard wireless key charger, so it can charge other devices besides iPhones, such as earbuds or AirPods or other key-enabled phones. You can use it for that, but it does have that MagSafe built into it to use with the iPhone 12, 13, and that is what makes it really awesome with that stand. Once you attach this with that stand, you can use it in vertical mode or horizontal mode, and you can see this stand has two different configurations. You have one angle, and then you flip it over, and you've got a second angle, and that is what really makes it cool, is that you can get those two angles. You can also turn it vertically to sit your phone down horizontally to view it that way, but because it is MagSafe compatible, you can turn your phone vertical or horizontal even if you have the charger itself in a vertical mode, and it'll hold because it has such a strong great magnetic ring built into it. It will hold the phone in either horizontal or vertical mode and at any angle, which is great for viewing. And this is going to stay on your phone. You could even use this on your phone when you're, for example, playing a game. You could have this attached to your phone because it's so lightweight. It's not going to add any bulk to your phone, and it'll stay out of your way, but it'll be charging your phone wirelessly while you're playing a game. So it's really cool that you can use your phone with this on it. It doesn't add a lot of bulk, but you can also use this as a stand with your phone attached to it. So either way. Now, in addition to all that, that Type-C charging port on the side there that's used to charge this power bank is also used to power other devices. So you can plug a Type-C cord into this and plug the other end into your iPhone or any Android phone or any device and charge that as well. This is a PD charging Type-C, so it has up to 20 watts of power. So it will fast charge or charge any device at the fastest rate possible, up to 20 watts, which is awesome. And you can even use this to charge something wirelessly while you're charging something plugged into the Type-C port, which is great. Also down here on the bottom, you have these 4 little LED indicators that will let you know how much power you have, so you never have to guess how much power is left in the power bank. Clear indicators on the bottom there to let you know. Also, when you're charging, you can see that it's being charged and see how much further you have to go for it to be fully charged. You have your power button on the side there, which is what you use to power on or power off the bank, because you can use it as a stand with a MagSafe phone, even if you're not charging the phone if you want to, which just gives it a lot of flexibility in terms of the way you can use it. But it is an awesome product. MOMAX is a great company. They have their products in 80,000 retail locations all over the world. They make excellent products. They're based out of Hong Kong, and this is no exception. There's great MagSafe compatibility with super strong magnets to help hold your phone in place or to stick to your phone. If you can use your phone with it with a stand, to be able to use that stand, but when you're not using it, it's completely out of the way, but then have it pull it out and use it in different angles for whatever your need is at the time. Being able to charge both through the wireless key that's built in as well as the Type-C port that's built in. Really just a full, functional, and highly capable 5000 mAh power bank. If you're looking for a wireless portable power bank that is compatible with MagSafe, then this is definitely a great product and a product that I would recommend. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share the video with them. All those ways are down there. If you have any questions, just post them in the comments below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. Don't forget to favorite my playlist or subscribe to my channel so you can keep up with future product reviews. That is going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.